Do you have plans to paint, renovate, or decorate your home this year? If so, don't start your next project before you finish this video. We've got the top 6 Caledon and surrounding area home design trends to watch for in 2023, and they're going to have a big impact on your home's livability and value. I'm Evelyn Lopes with the Evelyn Lopes Realty Team and iPro Realty here in the Caledon, Halton Hills, Erin, Orangeville, and surrounding communities. And as a real estate agent, I tour countless homes each and every year. So I get to see firsthand how design choices can impact the appeal of a home. And what's my favorite design trend that I'm seeing emerge right now? Well, there's a few, but I'm particularly excited about the biophiliac design trend, where we incorporate nature and the outdoors, bringing those elements inside to create a restful and restorative home. By adding natural touches throughout the home, we add character, warmth, and texture to our living spaces. I'm particularly excited about the embrace of a variety of natural materials, such as varied types of woods in a variety of color tones and natural materials like bamboo, marble, and natural stone. For me, the layering of these natural elements with colors inspired by nature brings about a warm, relaxed, and cozy feeling to the space. You can incorporate elements of this trend easily into your home by adding natural rugs, varied tones of wood, bamboo, natural baskets, and cotton or other natural fiber throws. I like to keep the color palette relatively light. For me, it just brings about a feeling of freshness, of being light and airy, like being outdoors on a crisp spring morning. For more design trends to watch for this year, check out our blog post. You can find a link in the caption. Maybe you'll discover a design trend that speaks to you and provides inspiration to make your living space one that you truly love. And if you're starting a home design project soon, feel free to reach out to chat. We know the best contractors in town, and we'd be happy to share our insights on the upgrades that will make it easier or harder to sell your home when the time comes. My name is Evelyn Lopes, and I am here to help.